Maybe you are wrong about the Bitcoin target price. This video, I'm going to show you my target price for the Bitcoin in this cycle. Maybe Bitcoin won't go above 100K. Many people talk about the big organization is going to buy Bitcoin, crypto, so the price will go crazy. But is it the fact? Is it the truth? This video, I'm going to show you a bit more insights about Bitcoin. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about the money strategy and money mindset. If you want to make more money, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend and learn before you earn. Okay, let's start with the Bitcoin, this chart. This is the rainbow chart. Basically, it can tell us each peak, like they can categorize with different color. It's quite interesting graph. When it's blue area, this is very cheap, like fire sales. When this is red area, basically it means sell, like overbought. Okay, so you can see the first peak here is a few level up above this rainbow, and you can see the second peak here is still above the rainbow, but you can see the scale is less than the first time. And the third peak here is just touching the top of the rainbow. Can you see that? You can see also like the bottom also that is going lower and lower. The peak is also going lower and lower. And then the last peak, basically, you can see here into to one here. Basically, you can see here. Basically, they go down by 2 level. They stop here. Okay, so if we using the same trend to predict our next peak, basically will land around on the top of this light green area, just below this yellow area, okay? Basically around, right now, around 82K, 82K. Remember, this graph is still going upward. So longer the time you take, it will take a bit further up. Okay, so but so far our prediction is around 82K. Okay, so remember this graph is going upward, so it's still going up. But this moment, you can see we are still in the blue zone. That's why I say we are still in the fire sale area. So for very long-term holder, if you buy in the blue area and you hold it, you sell it when we have our selling signal, do you look like a superhero in the future? Yes, because right now we are in a definitely cheap zone to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so we are still in long-term holder, we are still very cheap. Okay, you cannot compare the price today to the price like few years ago. Oh, a few years ago is only 4,000. You cannot do this kind of comparison because it's different. Okay, so now we are still in the fire sale zone. Remember that. And as the second I want to show you is this graph. So basically, I'm using my own indicator called ymchannel. This is our weekly chart. So when it's going upward, this is a bull market. When it's going downward, it's a bear market. It's quite accurate. When we change the direction of the line, basically, you can see the peak is already in. Okay, so when we change the location, the bottom is already in. You can see that here. So it's a very good indicator because they can tell you first, what is the trend? Are we in the upward or downward trend? Are we in the bull market or bear market? Second, when is the buying price? Imagine when you have when you look at this chart, okay, of course we don't know the future. Let's say when we are here, okay, so it's just at the beginning of here or here, will you buy? Will you consider to buy? Yes, because it's in the upward trend, number one. Number two is if you look, if you buy in this area, when the price just go above this line, and we use other indicator as well to pair up, this is a definitely good buy signal. You see here, you don't buy here because the blue line is going downward. You will buy here, even you buy here. Okay, does it make sense to you? So you will just hold it at that time. You can sell it at the peak. You will look like a superhero. Okay, so now we are still in the upward trend. Remember, this is our weekly chart. Weekly chart can tell us, do we have opportunity or do we have risk? Now we have more opportunity than risk because we are still in the upward trend. Okay, so in my last video, I have also mentioned one of the moving average on weekly chart is very important. This is moving average 21. This is a free indicator, by the way. So you can use this as a support and resistance. So far we use it for a support because the price is above this line, okay? So we are going to expect they will touch this purple line, serve as a support, okay? So it would be around 28K, okay, around this level. So let's see how it serves. So it's pretty interesting. When they even go lower, we can use other strategy. You can see here they go lower, right? We can use other strategy to buy in, and then as a support resistance, we're just waiting the bull market come. Okay, so first you always need to tell this is a bull market or this is a bear market, number one. So and then you can tell you have more chance or more risk to do the trade. Okay, so the second, to find a buy-in point. What is the buying signal for you? So if you want to learn more about the trading strategy, click like, subscribe, share with your friend, and join my free webinar, basically. And I have some course about the complete course about buying, selling, the strategy. Pair up with different indicator to find your own strategy. Okay, so very easy one. Or subscribe to my indicator. You can use it right away. It's also very easy. So this is Bitcoin. And in my previous video, I've also mentioned when Bitcoin will hit the peak. Okay, so have a look of that. I will put it in the end of the video. And I'm doing a big promotion for the indicator. If you want to enroll it this week. I don't know when is the promotion finished, to be honest. So usually I would do more expensive. Usually I sell it as a package in the course. Okay, but now I do it separately, so you can enjoy very, very cheap price to try the indicator. This one, the Club 88, and with another indicator also. So this is very like a game changer indicator. I'm not selling you, but I'm trying to help you out because I have a friend, actually a new friend, but I really, really feel sorry because he told me he bought Bitcoin at 50K, okay? And he didn't sell it because he thought it would go upper. So imagine when at that time, if he got this indicator, will he make the mistake? No, even he bought at 50K, he know when to sell easily with this chart. Okay, so he is still holding it. I just say, yeah, hold it right now because now we are start of the bull market. Okay, so we just need to wait. So remember right now we're doing the sideways, and then before we go to the bull market, remember the bull market, we have 5 waves: wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, so now we are in wave 1. We need to have a wave 2, a pull back, and then you need to go down a little bit before the big jump. Okay, then this is good. So click like, subscribe, share with your friend, and please join the indicator or course, or you join other courses. I don't care, but you need to have your own strategy. If you don't have strategy, you just buy because people buy. I tell you what, you will lose a lot of money. You will lose a lot of money. At that time, when the market go up, when it's crazy up, people go crazy with it. Even cleaning lady know Bitcoin. At that time, basically, you rush in, you buy in, then you will become the food of the big fish. Okay? So if you want to be the winner for trading market, for crypto, for stock market, join my course and join the indicator to try. Okay, so I see you in the next video, and watch the video about my video about when the Bitcoin will hit the peak, because I really spent a lot of time to do the research, and so far it goes so on my prediction. It's so matched so well, so you have to watch it. It's free information for you, and why not just watch it. So see you in the next video. Bye.